How to get sellers to sign at the end of every single listing appointment you have, meaning that you are walking away with a signed listing agreement, what we call an onboarding agreement, which I'm going to show you here in just a moment, and make a lot of money. That's what today's video is about. So you're gonna love this session. This is one of the secret tools that I actually bought from a top real estate team, from their lead listing agent who was doing over 250 closed listings a year. And so I share this with you going, this is a game changer. And if you stick around to the very end, I'm also going to provide you our listing agent AI playbook. So make sure you stick around to the end. You'll be able to download that. I'll give you some instructions how to do it. And we're going to have a lot of fun today. So here's the deal. When you are on a listing appointment, the only goal that you have is to deliver a great amount of value and leave with signatures at the appointment and hopefully a lockbox on the door, depending upon what country you're in and whether you have, whatever your system is. But that's the only thing. My brain is every single time going signature, key for the lockbox on door, key, lockbox on door, right? All that. So signatures and going to that. So here's the one pager, we call it the one page closer that changed everything for me. Now, this is part of our Irresistible Listing package program and process. So when I go on a listing, I have 4 pieces of paper and a brochure, what we call our Irresistible Listing offer, and 4 single pieces of paper. Now, these 4 pieces of paper have made me millions and millions of dollars, right? Helped me sell over 130 homes myself year after year. My team selling 450. We did 6.3 million in GCI last year, right? So a lot of money comes from the, if you don't know what GCI is, gross commission income, that's $6.3 million a year. It's a lot of money. And people are using it all across the country in our Listing Beast program and having massive success. So here's the secret that I'm going to show you. In this process, it's one of 4 pieces of paper. It's the last piece of paper. And when you do everything in the process correctly, when this piece of paper comes out, I'm going to show you in just a second, then the seller signs. And they usually, they sign without objections, without concerns, at 3.5% on just the list side or higher. And so let's jump in and let me show you what it's all about. All right. So here's what we're talking about. We call it, and I call it, a client onboarding agreement. Now, you might be watching this and going, what? That sounds so dumb. An onboarding agreement? Well, there was a lot of psychology that was put into this, okay? So when we talk about onboarding someone into our listing program, it's a lot less threatening than saying, I need you to sign this 5, 10, 15, in Colorado, 18-page listing contract. So all we're doing is onboarding you into our listing program. And of course, there's a whole script that goes along with this. There's nuance that happens in all of this. But all in all, it's pretty simple. When you go on the appointment, as you're seeing the document here, there's a couple of things that I do want to point out, and we'll talk about the power in this one pager. Now, when you're looking at this, normally you would have the date already filled in before you went to the appointment. You'd have their address already written on it. You would not have the initial asking price because you haven't established that yet. Now, we do teach that in our program, and that's a whole nother process, what we call seller preferred terms, and it's super easy, and it makes pricing and everything else so the home sells in the first 65 hours, just absolutely amazing. But that's not for today's video. And then you have commission percentage. Now, as we know, all commissions are negotiable, but when you're a listing agent, you get to have what your value is. Now, a lot of this is supported by one of our 4 pieces of collateral called the Magic Net Sheet. And that's where we establish how we secure 3.5% or more on just the list side for our sold in 65 services. Now, if you're new to the channel and you've never heard sold in 65 or a named program, there's a lot of other videos. Go check those out about making sure you have a named program. That's how it makes it so much easier to make more money in this business. But today we're just talking about the one-page closer. And so now the client's sitting across from us. We put this down as the last page, and now it's just time to get signatures. So you have your compensation, 3.5% for sold in 65 services. You see the blank percentage offered for optional buyer compensation. Okay, so when you have optional buyer side compensation, that means they can There's a whole scripting for this, but obviously the seller can select whatever they'd like to offer to a buyer agent when they bring a buyer, or they can offer nothing at all. Now, inside of our program, we have a whole way of explaining how to make sure that this is a win-win. But for today, I'm just going to take you through quickly so you understand the page. And then the brokerage service fee. So $5.99 for lifetime service and required document storage. Now, some of you watching this right now are going, oh my gosh, that's just a junk fee that you're adding to it to try to screw the client over. And I used to have to charge that at my old brokerage. Well, this goes to us. I don't know what brokerage you're at, and maybe your brokerage makes you charge a brokerage service fee. We define it based on value. So I always explain it like this. The brokerage service fee is because every listing I take, I'm guaranteeing that I'm going to service that listing after it closes for life. So let's say that the buyer comes back and has some sort of issue. Let's say, and I've had a million instances where this comes up. Something closes, they have some sort of issue, there's some problem, the seller's had some issue. I'm servicing the contract for after the time of the closing. My compensation is for the time of the listing and to get the listing sold. My brokerage service fee is for everything that could possibly come after that. Now, some people go, well, is that kind of like a warranty? Is that kind of like that? We just call it a brokerage service fee, and it is my lifetime agreement that no matter what, if anything comes up well after the sale is closed, I'm going to be there to help and support you as the seller. Okay. The next line you'll see there is with our Sold in 65 program, we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. With this signed agreement, if you're not 100% satisfied with our level of service, you have the ability to unconditionally cancel this agreement at any time unless your property is under contract and moving forward to a successful closing. Now, this is a powerful guarantee. The reason you want a guarantee is because this is the last second before they're going to sign this document. So giving a guarantee makes them feel comfortable, and there's a whole script and pitch that goes along with this when done correctly that alleviates any of their worries of going, I don't know, like maybe we should still interview another agent, or we want to sleep on it. We have a whole script book that I give you that explains exactly how to do this, that I've used over and over and over again. And the whole point is, no matter how good you are in offering your package, if the sellers naturally want to think about it or want to do something, what we're trying to do is going, you can still move forward tonight and think about it. And for any reason, if you don't feel comfortable, we can tear this agreement up. Now, some of you that are listening are having all of these, little devils on your shoulder, I guess it'd be over here, squeaking in your ear going, oh, well, I would never do that. That's too much risk. That's too much this, is too much that. If you're not going to provide great service and you're not going to deliver great results, then you probably shouldn't offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. But then I think about going, what are you doing? Then you really need to figure out what you're offering, because how can you get excited every day to help someone sell their home for the most money in the least amount of time with the least amount of headache if you don't offer a great guarantee that your word is your bond, that you stand behind your product, that like, I'm going to make this amazing and we're going to, have the greatest sale ever. And if you understand the rest of how to deliver our system and our package, then that happens over and over and over again. I'm never going into a listing nervous, not thinking that the home is going to sell quickly, that it's going to sell for the most money, and that I'm going to provide the best amount of service with what I offer to create the least amount of hassle for them to sell the home. That's where I want your mindset at. And I'm sure I'm going to get some comments on this and whatever. I get it, ladies and gentlemen. Like I'm just trying to tell you what I've done to have a lot of success, what other agents that I got this system from and learned from masters across, I'm not going to say masters, but really highly skilled agents that were making millions and millions of dollars. So you can hate on it, you can doubt it, you can do whatever, but I'm telling you it works. I have this, go look me up. I'm not sitting here blowing smoke up your wazoo. This works. It's worked for many of others. I've seen 19-year-olds use it, and I've seen 80-year-old plus people use it. One of our students is 86. I know that might sound crazy, but he just loves selling real estate, doing this system. So there you go. Okay. So the guarantee is very important. Then the next section, by signing this agreement, I authorize, at the time, this is just a sample of my real estate team. Now, even in my real estate team, it used to be called the Bartic Group. We changed it to Elite Home Partners because of scale, right? Now, some of you, I know you have your team named your name. There's nothing wrong with that. I made a decision to make it more scalable as I grew. But this is the same thing I utilized when I was an individual agent as well. So it doesn't matter if you have a team or not. But Sold in 65 is the home selling program. You see at the bottom there, powered by the real estate team, Elite Home Partners. Now, if some of you are watching this, you know there's a lot of nuance in here, and I hope you're going, oh my gosh, what? Because that's how I felt. If you're not, then let it settle in and it'll get there. Okay, now remember, this is one piece of paper that's used in conjunction with 3 others that sets this up perfectly to take a bunch of listings along with your Irresistible Listing package offer. Okay. So that's, this would be an hour video if I tried to explain all that in one setting. Okay. Now, also, so as I said, the date's filled out already, address is filled already, price is blank. That's going to be filled in right now because now you already went through net sheets and you're going to be putting that in. Well, estimated net sheets, and our magic net sheet is a game changer. And then the commission percentage, then what you're going to offer with buy-side compensation, then the $599, the 100% guarantee, and now the next part. By signing this agreement, I authorize Elite Home Partners to initiate the Sold in 65 onboarding process and begin the marketing of the above referenced property. I understand that additional state required documents will be sent to me via email to review and electronically sign. Okay. So this is how I leave every appointment without sitting there doing disclosures. And again, check with your managing broker, your lawyer, your priest, all of the different things you need to check with. But we've done this over and over again because this agreement is a handshake with a key and a lockbox at the appointment. And then we send them all of the documents. There's a message in there with videos that tells them what each document is, that they can call me at any time. But we're talking about taking 1 listing a week, 2 listings a week, 3 listings a week, not a year, not a quarter, not a month, at times even much more than that. And so we need to have efficiency. And some of you are still trapped in 1985, and I'm not saying you are, but I'm saying some of you, some of others, maybe not you watching this, and you got to break free from that. Just because you don't think it can be done in a certain area, you're asking the wrong question. You should be asking, how can I, not why can't I? Okay, that's what the top innovators are doing in the industry. Then I would have already had my signature at the bottom where it says Sold in 65 Regional Director signature. Now, if you don't want to give yourself the title of Regional Director and you just want to say your name and agency, you can. But everything was designed for psychology. We had 19-year-olds going out and delivering this. And after we certified them in our process, they become a regional director. So that's all part of the process and the psychology in this. Now, I've already signed where it says that. I've already dated it. I have it highlighted. If there's 1 or 2 sellers, depending upon, I have it highlighted on the seller signature line with an X and highlighted on date with an X. Now, you might think I sound like I'm so intense about this. This is the last 10 seconds before the seller makes a decision to give you $5, $10, $15, $20, $50, $100,000. We've used this for multi-million-dollar properties and $50,000 condos and everywhere in between. So in that last second, right? Some of you are going, well, I base my business on, they can think about it. And if they really want to work with me, I've come in after so many of those situations and have taken that listing because I'm there to help and get the seller what they want. It's natural to feel some sort of hesitation at times. This isn't high pressure tactic sales. In fact, it's quite the opposite. It's onboarding somebody into the greatest listing program that ever existed. That's how I feel about my product. And I want you to feel the same way about your listing package and offer the same way. And when you do, everything changes, everything clicks, and you're so proud, you're so excited, and you're so you can't wait to get to move forward with them. I don't call that high pressure sales. I call that confidence in my product, and I call it confidence in what I do and what I offer. Okay, so all of that can be taught. All of that is not one-off or years of experience. All of that you can do in just a few hours once you know what you need to have inside your offer. Now, if this was just this one page and I go, yeah, look, bro, like I put you on the MLS and, I take some pictures and, we do, we kind of do staging sometimes, but, I try not to because it's expensive. Like if that's what you're offering and it's garbage and there's nothing that's going to provide value, then what are you doing? Okay, this is for those agents and teams and owners and business and innovative entrepreneurs that want to work the least, and make the most. And you do that by having a better offer than everyone else. Now I have more videos on that, all that fun stuff. So that's the one page closer. That's the secret sauce. So when that's ran at the last moment here, I'll just go through this again. So in real time, right, this page goes down. I'm usually sitting across from the client, depending on where they're at. I have my pen, right, and I just go through this. So I'll just give you my exact pitch of this one pager. So, and the page that comes before this is called our onboarding worksheet. Now that'll be separate, right? So that's, if you want more information, there's links below and you can kind of learn more about this stuff. But this onboarding worksheet leads into this. So I already have all of their contact information. We've already set a tentative calendar. So now when I get to this page, it feels like the natural progression. So I go, excellent. So the next thing we need to do is just onboard you into our Sold in 65 program. We established that the initial asking price is going to be $500,000. It's 3.5% for our Sold in 65 services. When we went through the net sheets, we agreed that you wanted to offer 3% for the optional buy-side compensation. I write that in. In addition, we have a $599 lifetime service guarantee. This protects you for after the transaction closes. If any issues arise, there's a $599 service fee. And then I circle the 100% satisfaction guarantee and I go, John, Jane, Susie, whoever I'm talking to. In addition, I offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So if any time you're not 100% satisfied with my level of service, you can call me up. We can cancel the agreement as long as we're not under contract, because obviously once we're under contract, we're moving forward to a successful closing. But I built my entire business on integrity. And if you're not 100% satisfied and I can't make it right, then we shouldn't be working together. So the next section here, I circled that. By signing this just states that you're allowing us to begin the onboarding process, move forward with that calendar we just discussed previously. So I've already signed it. The only thing I need right now is a signature and date from you. I put the pen down right next to the signature line and I shut up and I stare at them and I wait for them to sign. Okay. Now that's that moment right there. They're going to look up, they're going to look left, they're going to look right, they're going to look all over, and they're going to make a decision. They're going to look down and they're going to go, okay. Right. And they're going to pick up that pen and they're going to sign. And then I go, great. All I need now is a key for the lockbox. And I make some small talk, put the lockbox on, put the key in, give them the rest of the details of what's going to happen next. Job done. Okay. Well, the beginning of the job is done, but that's the heavy lifting. Now, we have an entire script book that covers objection handlers that could come up. I want to think about it. Would you do that? Would you do this? But if the rest of the symphony was done correctly, this crescendo at the end should end in a perfect signature sequence, which it does 99.9% of the time. But you're dealing with humans. Some people are going to be crazy. So some people might have, an objection or a concern. And we've got to always establish if it's an objection or a condition. We teach all of that in our Listing Beast program. So I hope you found value in this. That one page can make you millions of dollars if you know how to use it and you know the power that's in it. So if you want our AI listing agent playbook, just comment AI playbook below. I'm constantly updating the little mini course that I've put together that's going to give you as much value as I can, leveraging the latest technology that's coming out. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. And if you'd like to see any other videos or you have any other questions, I answer each comment myself personally. Let me know what you're struggling with. Let me know what you can help with. We have a lot of great people in this community, and my only goal is to help you become a great listing agent so you can live the quality of life that you want. And that's what's important to me. All right. So hope you enjoyed this one. Can't wait to see you in the next one.